Okay, so after the bend, there is a roundabout coming. We will be going straight ahead, second exit. There's a signboard on our right side, which clearly shows that it's a Bolton and Darwen. So we're going to be going straight ahead, second exit towards Bolton and Darwen. Now in this roundabout, we need to keep our position to the right lane. The reason why, because left is only for the left lane. There is some fade off arrows there, you might be able to see on the video. So from here we come in, we don't need to signal anywhere. We give a position like this, we look to our right or ahead. If nobody's coming, we go, but we make sure we goes. Once you pass this first exit, go near to the white line and now check your mirrors and signal to the left. And that is how you do this Ewood roundabout. So always remember, on this is a roundabout, you keep your car to the right lane when you're going straight ahead towards Bolton and Darwen. This is part of a test route. A lot of people do mistake on this one. Thank you.